Do you want to renew your green card, but you want to renew it as fast as possible? Well, this is the video to watch because I'm going to go through with you exactly how to renew your green card, but more importantly, I'm going to go through with you the new rules about how to get it renewed as fast as possible. This is faster than they have ever been able to get the green cards renewed in the past. So make sure you watch this video because you need this information if you're renewing your green card. Hi, and thank you for joining me to talk immigration. My name is Andrea Szew, and I'm the managing attorney at Szew Law Group in Los Angeles, California. I've been doing immigration law for over 20 years now, and I put together tons of videos for you guys so you have clear, concise, and easy to understand information about all different types of immigration topics. So if you like this video and you haven't already, subscribe right now and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time a video comes out. Now, also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm everywhere. And I'm constantly posting new information about immigration and topics that you need to be aware of if you're dealing with anything related to immigration or your family is or your friends. So don't forget to follow me on social media and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, before we get started, I want to make sure that all of you are aware of that there is a course that I have put together personally that I can help people do their renewal of their green card all by themselves without any help from anybody. I walk you through in this course step by step how to fill out the form, where to file the form, how to do an online filing, what to include in the form, and tips and pointers about what to be careful of when you're filing. So you know exactly what to do and how to do it when you're ready to renew your green card. So if you're interested, make sure you hit that link below. Don't miss it. Hit that link below and sign up right away for that course. You don't want to miss it. I walk you through everything that you need to know. With my 20 plus years of experience, you get it all for a very minimal cost. Take a look, and I hope you join me with renewing your green card. Now, let's get going on this video, because this video I'm going to talk about basically how to renew your green card, but more importantly, how green cards are being renewed super fast, faster than they have ever been renewed before. And you need to know about this, because if you don't know about this, you're missing out, because it is pretty amazing how quickly you can get a renewal of your green card. Okay, so first is first. What form do you fill out when you file for your renewal? It is the I-90 form. You can get it off USCIS.gov. You pull up the form, you fill it out, and that is the only form really that you need to fill out and file when you're trying to renew your green card. So if you want step-by-step instructions of exactly how to fill out that form and what does that form mean and what are all the boxes you have to check and what do all the boxes mean, please sign up for my course, and I'm more than happy. I'm going to go through all of those details step-by-step with you so you know exactly what you're doing. But for this, I want to just focus on letting you know that that is the form that's required. But this video, I want to talk about all these automatic extensions that they've put into place very, very recently that you need to know about. So before, you couldn't even get an automatic extension. What would happen is, and I have another video that you're more than welcome, on one of these sides, more than welcome to watch, talking about how to get your green card fast, your renewal fast. But it is even faster now. That's why I'm doing this video. Because before, you would take your green card, your current green card, when you had your biometrics appointment, which is usually required when you renew your green card. The biometrics appointment, you would take it and they would renew it at the spot when you went to the biometrics appointment. They would put a sticker on the back renewing it. And if not that, you would have to make an appointment with USCIS to go and get a 551 stamp, which is a temporary automatic extension of your green card. But now, and for a little while now, they have allowed on your receipt, when you file your I-90 form, you get a receipt in the mail, and on that receipt, you get an automatic 12-month extension of your green card that you can travel with and work with and do whatever with. It's just like the green card. You carry your green card and that extension notice, and you're good to go for 12 months until they actually send you your new card. But what's even better is as of September 2022, now they're giving you a 24-month extension. because two reasons. One, because they're taking so long to process the applications that they're giving 2 years of an extension to give themselves more time to actually process them, but also because they have taken away a lot of the biometrics appointments that have allowed for that sticker to be put on the back of your current green card that's expiring, because they actually started using old fingerprints and not requiring new fingerprints to be taken when you renew your green card. So because of that, they're now extending 24 months from when you file. And you only have to wait until you get that receipt, which usually takes not more than a few weeks, usually after you file. So you file your Form I-90, and then you get that extension, which is 24 months, which is pretty amazing to get 24 months. But I'm going to tell you something that is even more amazing that you need to realize. They have now started in December of 2022 that if you file an N-400, which is a naturalization application, and your green card is expiring, they will actually extend automatically your green card with the filing of your naturalization application. So if you file the N-400 application for naturalization, they will automatically extend your green card. I mean, that is unheard of. So when you get your receipt for your naturalization application, on there will be also an extension for your green card. So you don't even have to file your I-90 form if you are actually ready and qualified to file for citizenship. So these two things are huge in the world of immigration and the world of renewing your green card. So just realize that when you file your green card, there's usually not a biometrics anymore, so likely you're going to get that 24-month extension, and then you will get your new green card within those 24 months. But if you are ready to file naturalization, your citizenship, then you will automatically get a renewal on your green card at the same time. And the reason for that, most likely, is because they want to kind of kill two birds with one stone, right? So if you file your naturalization certificate or naturalization application, and you are up for getting a new renewal on your green card, they're like, well, we're going to just, do both at the same time. So we don't have to adjudicate two applications. We're only going to adjudicate one application and do it at the same time. And they probably hope that they'll approve your naturalization or your citizenship application before the expiration of your automatic extension of your green card. So it's amazing news. It's great news. It's wonderful news. Now, it is still the case that you can still go and get a 551 stamp down, at your local district office, but you would have to call USCIS and set up that appointment and get that stamp in your passport. The only way you're going to get that appointment is if you have some reason why that automatic extension is not going to work for you. Some employers want an actual stamp. Some people don't feel comfortable with using the actual automatic extension. They want a stamp in their passport. So if you need to do that for some reason, then you need to call USCIS Support Center and you need to ask them to get an appointment to go to your local district office and actually get that stamp in your passport. But again, be aware, likely they're going to have a lot of pushback because you really don't need it now if you're filing after September 2022, because you're going to automatically get that 24 months. Now, if they go past the 24 months, then you have more of an argument to get that actual stamp, because after the 24 months, you don't have an actual valid green card anymore because the automatic extension will have expired. Okay, this is amazing news. I'm so excited that I got to, share it with all of you out there. And I hope it gives a lot of you hope that you don't have to worry about waiting now months and months and months. And oh my gosh, it was going on for almost years to get your renewed green card. You file the I-90 properly. You get in the mail your receipt. On that receipt is your automatic extension and you are good to go. Then at least you're calm and you have everything under control until they send you your new green card. I hope this was helpful. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Don't forget to sign up for that course if you haven't already. It was so amazing. It's going to be so great. It's going to take care of everything. You can do it all yourself. So it's wonderful. Take advantage of it, please. It's wonderful. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. And I look forward to seeing you next time.